Howdy, Texans. This is a special message for our teachers and our teachers' aides at Northwest High School on this Teacher Appreciation Week. And, I'd love to invite you to a luncheon and feed you. I'd love to send you a special card or come up and hug you and just tell you in person how much I appreciate you. But unfortunately, in these circumstances, I don't get to do that. I have to do something a little more creative. And so this is one thing that I can do to just say in person how much I appreciate you, how much I love you, and how grateful I am to get to work with you. Guys, you have taken unprecedented circumstances and made something out of nothing for our kids. You've created a system. You've created curriculum. You have chased down kids and found them and said, you need to turn in this work. You have called kids. You've emailed kids. You've found so many different creative ways to reach out to your kids. Some of you have gone to their homes and have brought them signs to show them how much you love them. It's been incredible to see the things that you've come up with to continue to be connected with our kids and to be relentless in making sure that they're getting everything that they need. And so we thank you for that. Thank you for being so positive in all of this and for letting our kids know and our families know that regardless of the situation, you absolutely love them and you miss them and you can't wait to be back with them. And that message has just been clear and constant from all of you throughout all of this. And so not every kid gets to benefit from that, but our kids do. And so that is just one of many things that makes me proud to be a Texan, proud to get to work with you. And so to our teachers and aides, I just want to say to you, thank you for being a great Texan.